Social Media Influencer. It is estimated that about 40% of the world's population uses social media, and many of these billions of social media users look up to influencers to help them decide what to buy and what trends to follow. So, what is an influencer and how do we become one? An influencer is a person who can influence the decisions of their followers because of their relationship with their audience and their knowledge and expertise in a particular area, such as fashion, travel, or technology. Influencers often have a large following of people who pay close attention to their views. They have the power to persuade people to buy things, and influencers are now seen by many companies as a direct way to customers' hearts. Brands are now asking powerful influencers to market their products, with some influencers charging up to $25,000 for one social media post. It is no surprise that more and more people are keen to become influencers too. If you are one of them, then here are 5 tips on how to do it. 1. Choose your niche. What is the area that you know most about? What do you feel most excited talking about? Find the specific area that you're most interested in and develop it. 2. Choose your medium and write an interesting bio. Most influencers these days are bloggers and microbloggers. Decide which medium, such as your own online blog, Instagram or Snapchat, is the best way to connect with your followers and chat about your niche area. When you have done that, write an attention-grabbing bio that describes you and your specialty area in an interesting and unique way. Make sure that people who read your bio will want to follow you. 3. Post regularly and consistently. Many influencers post daily on their social media accounts. The more you post, the more likely people will follow you. Also, ensure that your posts are consistent and possibly follow a theme. 4. Tell an interesting story. Whether it is a photo or a comment that you are posting, use it to tell a story that will catch the attention of your followers and help them connect with you. 5. Make sure people can easily find your content. Publicize your posts on a variety of social media, use hashtags and catchy titles, and make sure that they can be easily found. There is no point writing the most exciting blog posts or posting the most attractive photographs if no one is going to see them. Most importantly, if you want to become a social media influencer, you need to have patience. Keep posting and your following will gradually increase.